thunderstorm warning for central Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, southern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 10:45 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rollingstone, or near Winona, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles
Upland
per
and
hour
120
wind
for
gusts
not
and quarter-size
activating.
hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Ooh.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winona, Goodview, and Fountain City around 10:05 p.m. Arcadia around 10:35 p.m. Galesville around 10:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county, Winona, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau.
Keep catching alerts that
This
don't
is NOAA
include
Weather Radio
Olmsted.
WA.